Hi guys, VST here and Pistech. New version from Samsung Expert Raw. You can check here, we have 100031, indoor clarity and dynamic range tolerance and VOC improvement. So I will install the new version, test it for you guys. I did already some photos with the previous version. I will now update it and do the same photos with the new version, and then we're gonna be able to compare. So let's now hit the update button and yeah, let's just see all the new changes. So guys, here it is. I have installed the latest version from Samsung Expert Raw, and as you can check here, it is indeed 100031. So what we're gonna do, guys, we are going to quickly check some settings and then I'm gonna share the results with you. And honestly, I'm a bit surprised. There really are some changes. Now, I'm not sure is it good, is it bad, but yeah, let's try to judge together. So this is here the main interface. We still have here the ISO. You can go from auto, of course, to manual. Then we have the speed, we have the EV, we have the focus, and then also, of course, we have the white balance. Up front, we have the histogram. Also, we have the metering, so you can choose a matrix one, or you can choose the spot one, or you can just go with the center weight. And then, of course, we have the timer. Once we go inside the settings, guys, inside the settings we have the high efficiency RAW, which now I have disabled. We also have the auto HDR, which was on the location tags, the autofocus tracking, the grid lines. You have the various shooting methods like press volume to take a picture, zoom in, zoom out, and etc. The voice commands, and also, guys, you have the permissions. So it is pretty much the same in terms of interface. But now let me show you guys the picture that I've made, because I think that yeah, there is a difference, and I'm not sure where it comes from. So the first pictures you're gonna see right now are the pictures with the previous version. The first one is going to be the JPEG one, the second one is going to be the RAW one, okay? So this is how it goes, okay? Showing you now this is the JPEG one, this here is the RAW one. Just pay attention to the lemon and to the exposure overall. This one is very important. Pay attention to everything here, the colors, pay attention also to the floor. This here is the raw picture, okay? You can just see all the details. By the way, this camera is really fantastic. This is very, very important, guys. Pay attention to this picture. This is shot on the previous version, right? So this is the JPEG one. Let me show you the raw one. This is here the raw one. Astonishing quality, guys. Pay attention to the table, right? To the color and also to Hulk's color. Okay, this is also a picture using the 3x optical zoom. Again, this is the RAW version. Pay attention to this picture as well, all right? This is the JPEG one. Let me show you the RAW one. So this is the RAW one, guys. The level of detail is really crazy. I like the bokeh, right? This is really impressive, but given the fact it's a very big sensor, I think that's understood, okay? And now, guys, this here also is shot on the previous version, right? RAW one. And now, guys, let's start with the new one. So this is a picture shot with the new one, right? Pretty much the same. And now I think you can already start seeing some of the differences. So this is the one shot with the new camera, okay, it's still the same. Look at this one here, guys. This is now with the new camera, and it is almost the same, but here I think the color starts to shift a bit. And now pay attention to this picture, guys. And I'm not sure, is it because of the auto HDR was turned on and off? It was still the same with the previous version. The HDR has been turned on also in the previous version, but yeah, there are a lot of differences. Pay attention to this picture. I told you, everything here is different, even the white balance, and everything was on auto, by the way. I'm not sure what the reason for these changes are. This picture really seems to have a different white balance. Is this really what Samsung means in terms of indoor clarity? I don't know, but you can just see, guys, the pictures are really different, and the ones that are shot indoor, namely this one, right, this one and also that one, really look different. I'm also going to show the pictures one to one so that you can see the differences. All right, here they are. This is the plant, and as you can just see, guys, it's really different. Okay, next pictures is now the Hulk figure. So the pictures shot inside with the latest version of Expert Raw indoor, yeah, seem to just be different. Honestly, I tend to like them a bit more. They're a bit more warmer, right? But guys, it's RAW, so you can do whatever you want. You can open Lightroom and you can change the white balance. So this is really the power of RAW. Go download this latest version, guys. If you appreciate the content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.